The suspect charged with the shooting death of JSO Officer Bradley McNew is currently awaiting extradition to Florida after being arrested yesterday in North Carolina. Sheriff T.K. Waters told us yesterday the man has a violent past criminal record. And today we're on your side diving into who this man is and how he ever got to Jacksonville in the first place.
Adia Collins is joining us right now in the studio with more. I know you've been looking closely into all of this.
Yeah, that's exactly right, Anthony. Jeannie, he does have a past criminal record, and according to police, the man seen right here in this video pointing a gun is 29-year-old Demaurea Grant. Now, he is accused of shooting and killing a JSO corrections officer. This is not the first time Grant has been violent towards a member of law enforcement, according to his criminal record. 29-year-old Demaurea Grant was on parole after being released from prison in March of this year when police say he shot and killed Officer Bradley McNew. Sheriff T.K. Waters believes Grant traveled to Jacksonville to get away from issues in his home state of North Carolina.
Most likely may have even been running from maybe an ongoing investigation or some type of charge that existed or was going to come down on him. So he could have been in a fugitive or soon to be in a fugitive status.
According to his criminal record from the North Carolina Department of Adult Corrections, Grant was convicted in 2022 for assaulting an officer. Back in 2015, Grant was convicted of a slew of felonies, including kidnapping, common law robbery, larceny of a vehicle, and assault. Our First Coast News crime and safety analyst says this past could eliminate any possibility of a minimum sentence or parole as Grant faces the charges related to the death of Officer McNew.
Most people that are on parole in just about in every state I know have to report him to the parole officer, and they have to get authorization to be allowed to travel outside the jurisdictional area. But again, it's consistent with the person that obviously has real issues with authority, is a dangerous individual, and should be incarcerated.
Grant faces charges of murder, possession of a firearm by a felon, aggravated assault with a firearm, and discharging a firearm in public.